Hello everybody, Bill Harrison here with Harden Power Systems. Wanted to take a few minutes and introduce you to a new product, or at least a variation on one that we've had for a while. For quite some time we've sold something that we call the JuiceBrick, and it is a supplemental battery that's designed, most likely designed to be connected to a JuiceBox, but it does not have to be. It's really just a set of real nice AGM batteries, 4 batteries that total 60 amp hours, and a person can plug that JuiceBrick into a JuiceBox or a Tough Pup or other devices, and obviously they have supplemental power. One of the things that makes our JuiceBricks a bit different than normal batteries is the inclusion of things like a voltmeter and a dedicated charging cable and some things that just make it easier. So in this case, the JuiceBrick standalone PD, and the PD is for power distribution. Some of you guys are already, I'm sure, picking up on where we're going with this, and this is definitely the result of a lot of requests and a lot of discussion. It became pretty obvious to us that something like this wasn't out there, and a lot of people were doing it by using one or more batteries combined with distribution blocks, and it's just more stuff to carry and more connections to make. So really what we've done here is we've taken a standard JuiceBrick, which again is 60 amp hours of AGM battery power. It includes a nice beefy Anderson cable to interface with another device, or say a DC charger like in the field. It also includes the AC charging cable, and the neat thing about this is this unit has a 3 amp Schumacher charger built into it. So you can take this battery by itself, plug it directly into the wall, and it will automatically charge and then maintain and trickle charge the batteries. Very convenient, especially for some of our medical users, CPAP folks, people that are running gear in the field and they really need a lot more power than a JuiceBox will provide. This is a nice solution, and this unit ships with a gang of 6 Anderson PowerPoles in a standard configuration, red, right, tongue up. It's got corresponding blade fuses. The example you see here are 5s, a 10, a 15, and a 20. We are rating this to be a maximum total fused amperage of 60, meaning that these 6 fuses can total up to 60 amps. Also, any one of the fuses can be a maximum of 30. The pigtail is stronger. We're saying that's a max of 45 amps, and this is a 8 gauge wire, very beefy. Like all of our stuff, this is built real tough. It's definitely meant to be used, and you know, just a nice feature whenever you're dealing with stuff like this. We do have an LED voltmeter with a switch, so at least before you start hauling this thing around, and I do mean hauling, this is 41 pounds. It is not light. This is a Fat 50 ammo can, and I don't know if you can tell by the way that sounds, but it is definitely a heavy unit. There's a lot of batteries, a lot of battery power here. Like all our stuff, built tough. The ammo can, if you put the lid on, close it, and cam it over, you know, of course now you've got a absolutely watertight package, very much like our juice boxes. You know, you close this thing up, it's going to be waterproof, dustproof, almost crush proof, and you can see this at our website at portableuniversalpower.com. Pretty easy to imagine uses for this if you're a ham guy or an RC guy, hunters, campers. We've got people in boats and in planes and whitewater rapids and guides, very long duration time lapse. There's a lot of neat applications for a battery like this. So come see us at portableuniversalpower.com. Check out our YouTube channel at Harden Power, our Facebook channel at Harden Power. Once again, this is Bill, and I appreciate your time very much. You folks take care. We'll see you.